Hi Year 5, it's Mrs Gibbons, hope you're well. So we are looking at our third session of reading this week where we are looking to develop our vocabulary. So it was quite hard choosing vocabulary from this poem this week because there's so much interesting vocabulary in that poem. So I've started off with haunting. So let's look at it in context first of all. So it says, I am the dreadful menace, the one whose will is done, the haunting chill upon your neck. I am the conundrum. So your first job is to find out what haunting means. You might want to look it up on an online dictionary or write your own definition. You might want to write it in a sentence so you can show me that you understand how it would be used. And also, as usual, I'd like you to write a list of synonyms, so words that mean the same as haunting, and antonyms, words that are the opposite. So I've given you one synonym and one antonym to get you started. So a synonym of haunting that I come up with is eerie. So if something is very eerie, it could also be described as haunting. And an antonym would be unremarkable. So, you know, it's not something that's going to have a big impact on you. It's very unremarkable. As usual, if you've got words that spring to mind, that is fabulous. If you need a little bit of extra support, there are some examples that I have found that might help you with your list. So pause the video, remember to write a definition for haunting and a list of synonyms and antonyms, and then when you are ready, unpause it and we'll go on to the next word. Okay, so the next word that we're going to look at is summon. So let's look at that in context. So the poem says, it's up here, look here, I will summon armies of wind and rain and snow. Okay, so you now need to write your definition of summon. What does it mean if you summon somebody or something? So again, write a definition. You might want to show me it in use as part of a sentence. That'd be brilliant. And then please write a list of synonyms, so words that mean the same. So for my example is beckon. If you beckon someone to you, you are summoning them to you. And antonyms are the opposite, so banish, where you are sending someone away from you. So again, if you can do that with words that you're already aware of, brilliant. And also there are some more here for a little bit of extra support if you need it. Okay, and when you're ready to move on, unpause the video and we'll go on to the last word. Okay, so this one, as it's our last word, you're going to do the same again, define it, write a list of synonyms and antonyms, but also we'd like you to draw a picture that represents the word devoid. So let's look at it in the poem. So the poem says, so the word devoid is here. But now you stand before me, devoid of all dismay. Could it be, just maybe, I'll let you have your day. Okay, so can you work out what devoid means? You might want to look it up, you might already have worked it out. And then write me a list of synonyms and antonyms for the word devoid and draw a picture that would represent it. Okay, that's session 3 done. We're back soon with session 4. Take care, bye.